Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. We have to tap on it, and right now we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to take a look at this option bar, and in this position in the middle, we've got the timer. So let's tap on it, and we've got 4 different options: so off, 2, 5, and 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to tap on the option like to use, and it will be applied. So let me choose, for example, 10 seconds delay. Just tap on it. As you can see, it will appear right here. What is more, this icon is highlighted, so you can always quickly check whether you've got the timer set or not. So all we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, we've got it. Of course you can change it also of course you can turn it off actually just by tapping on this icon at the top. Hello. Okay, we've got it, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.